Ya Sai, Ya Sai. As promised and as asked by so many of you, I am going to keep sending you messages with all my love till I can heal your pain, take away your trauma and your troubles, and bring you back to a state of calmness and peace with Baba. I'm sitting here with him. Baba looks beautiful, dressed in all white, and sends unlimited immense blessings to each one of you. 1 week back, we started with our prayers. In fact, a little over 1 week. And today we are at day 9. When we started, we didn't know that things are going to get even more difficult with every passing day. We didn't know that life will become like the leaves on a tree. And as the wind blows and the leaves fall, we will see so many lives fall apart too. At this time, as your mother, as your Di, I seek more prayers from you because our world needs it, we need it. I think today, if there is anything that is sustaining me, it is these prayers. When I sit every day for that half an hour with Baba and merge into Him and chant with all love, all faith, it brings back that strength in me that yes, we will bring back peace, prosperity, good health, happiness, and bliss into our world through our prayers to our Baba. He has promised in the Satcharita that taking His name will take us through the worst times of our life and bring us out unscathed. And that is what we need right now, more and more prayers. Today's message that I'm recording for you is to open these prayers up completely. By opening up, I mean, let us chant the complete day. Maybe that half an hour today is not enough because the world is going through so much difficulty. We need to chant far, far more. Keep chanting the whole day, night, anytime, every time, and making a mental note of how many chalisas or japmalas you have chanted or Mahamrityunjay japs that you're doing, anything. Just keep making a mental note, and every evening sit for that half an hour with me and then update your count in the groups. So what I'm trying to say is not only the counts of that half an hour of 6 to 6:30 every evening, but the counts of your entire day and night you can add into that and then post in the group for updation. Let us send out more and more energies to the cosmos because we so need to. We so need to. I also want you to know that I am really holding you in prayers and very deeply so. I think like never before. Though I have always prayed for you, your families, your dear ones, always placed you in protection. But the faith with which I am doing it now, the depth with which I am doing it now, and the um, conviction in Baba's feet with which I am doing it now, only Baba knows and I know. It is so strong. I know that these prayers will protect you. I have no doubt about it, not 1% doubt about it. I know we will sail through this beautifully because His hand is on our heads. And for all of you out there who are listening to my voice, you know this is a truth. Most of you are protected without getting the virus. And if you have got it, you are still so protected. It is not harming you, it is not damaging you. I've told you the virus has to pass through him to reach us. It, anyways, becomes absolutely lifeless and listless when it touches our Baba and comes to us. Nothing reaches us without reaching him first. Remember that. With that faith, move on. Don't let your spirits go down because this is all about keeping your mind strong. The stronger you are inside, the weaker you will make that virus. Stay strong, stay connected to Baba, chant day and night, and just send out love and love and love and healing energies to the cosmos because only love will heal us today. Only love will bring back all that we have lost. I love you, my darlings. I send out so much love and prayers to you. I'm deeply, deeply, deeply connected to each one of you during these difficult times. And I promise any time that you think of me with your eyes closed, Baba will reach out to you. So am I connected to my Baba right now that I know if you call, he will be there and I will be there as your mother protecting you. I promise you. I love you. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay happy, and let's chant more, let's pray more, and let's send out so much more positive vibration, healing vibration to Mother Earth. Ya Sai, Ya Sai, Ya Sai.